Alright, in this video I'm going to show you basic SQL commands. We're going to look at select, from, where, and order by. Some notes. Select allows you to list your fields. From is the list of tables that you're pulling data from. Where is optional. And it's your conditions. Order by allows you to sort. Alright, so I have 4 tables in my database. I have customers, trainers, training sessions, and weight recording. I have data in customers, trainers, and weight recording. So let's take a look at my customers. So I do select star from customers. Star says show me all fields. Customers is the table. It's a pretty big table. It comes back. I have 1,000 rows. This data was all generated on a website called Mockaroo, which is why the names are international. If I don't want all that data, like if I don't care about the customer ID and the trainer ID, if I just want to know the first name, the last name, and the weights, I can list them here. Now, something you'll notice by default, SQL Server is case insensitive. Now, it's angry at me because I've not yet said a table. It stops being angry at me. I highlight and run. I've now limited my fields. If I want to sort these guys by something, order by starting weights. Notice I put the semicolon at the end. That's a common error. So the lightest person in my database was 150. Now I got some data glitches here, like why would you want to go up to 178? But the majority of these have legitimate values. I'm going to write a query in a little bit to find these messed up datas. You can order by as many things as you want. If you don't want it in ascending order, you can make it in descending order. So the biggest ones down to the smallest ones. All this data, like I said, was random, so some of it's going to be kind of weird. Let's suppose I want to find particular people. Like I want to find anybody's first name is Jeff. We know there's one there. That's where the where clauses come into play. Now, some things that drive a little nuts. SQL Server uses single quotes for strings. And the red here, which looks bad. It's not bad, it's just the way they highlighted them. So I've got one person named Jeff. I also have people in here whose name are Ron and Hannah. I can add or clauses here. So this will find my customers the first name of Jeff or Ron. Oh, look at that. I got 2 Rons. So the or condition works just like it does in programming. It says first name equal Jeff or first name equal Ron. What you can't do is do this shortcut. Even though I know what you're trying to say. You're trying to say where first name is Jeff or first name is Ron. You have to actually distribute it. SQL Server does offer some tricks for that. Suppose you have a list of people. You can use the in clause. And put a list of people in there. We get the exact same output as one above it. To be fair, this is cool, but the ORs run a hair faster. For now, it's okay. SQL also lets you search numerically. Let's see you start above 350. I have 192 people. Let's start above 150. I can mix and match all of my commands here. Order by, though, always has to go at the end. And this will list them in ascending order from 350 on up. Okay, so select fields from your table. Don't think that you can put two tables in this from line just yet. Doesn't work yet. I'll show you how to do that. Order by is a sort. Some type of condition. Or an and clauses work here. You can also say where things like not Jeff. Greater than's work. If I want between a range, I have a cool between operator. What you'll see is between here is inclusive. Includes 200. It's a big list, and 300. So this between is greater than equal to 200 and less than or equal to 300. If you wanted it to be exclusive, the dash dash is the SQL comment. So if you wanted to be exclusive, you would have to use the old school programming trick with greater thans. See, it starts at 201. This is exclusive, meaning excluding the ends. Now, something I missed when I started this. Where does this come from? To get this document, all I have to do is right-click your database and pick New Query. You want to make sure when you do that, that the name of your database is here. If it's not, hit that drop down and pick it. Weird things happen if you're not up there. Okay, so you have basic SQL. Select from where, list your fields, list your tables, list the conditions. All right, I'm done.